Hello everyone, welcome to W3 Grad's Quick Tech Solutions. In this video, we will see how we can convert a string into integer. As we all know, the string int is a sequence of characters. For example, hello is a string of 5 characters. In Java, string is an immutable object, which means it is constant and cannot be changed once it has been created. An integer is a data type in Java. One point to note here is that, if you want to manipulate a string made up of digits like 1, 2, 3, you need to convert to an integer value for any further arithmetic operations. So how can we convert a string into integer in Java? Well, there are two ways in which you can convert the string to int in Java. Let's take a look at the first method. We will open Eclipse IDE, right-click on our package W3 Grads tutorial, then select new and then select class. After that, we will name the class as convertDemo, then we will check the public static void main method option, and then click on finish. We will notice that our convertDemo class is created with some automatic generated code. Now, we will clear the comment part and then start writing the code for converting string to an integer. Let us suppose we have a string that contains only numbers, and we want to convert that into an integer value. So, we will go inside the main method, and declare a string variable, and give it a name, number string. We will give it a value, let's say, 1, 2, 3, 4 wrapped in double quotes. Now, in the next line, we will declare another variable of integer type, and give it a name as integer value, and then we will put an equals operator. After the equals operator, we will use the wrapper class for integer, and call the parseInt method. The parseInt method of integer wrapper class parses the string as signed integer number. So, we will type integer.parseInt, and pass the variable number string as an argument. By this method, the string will be converted into an integer. In order to ensure that the variable integer value contains an integer type value, we can perform some arithmetic operation. So, we will type integer val plus equal to any integer, let's say, 5. Now, again in the next line, we will output this value by typing system.out.println, and pass the variable named integer value as an argument. Then we will save the code, and execute it by clicking on the green button at the top. We will see the output as 1239, which is the result of arithmetic addition of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So, this is how the string is converted into integer. Now, let's take the second approach, and see how this approach can bring about this conversion. We will use the previous code, and only make some changes in the existing code. We will comment the integer variable declaration statement, and also the arithmetic addition statement. Now, just below these statements, we will type int val and then put an equals operator. After that, we will use the value of method of the integer wrapper class. So, we will write integer.value of, and pass the variable number string as an argument. In the next line, we will write int val plus equal to 5. After that, we will make changes in the print line statement, and instead of integer value, we will pass int val as an argument. Again, we will save the code, and execute it by clicking on the green button at the top. This time again, we will get the same output, that is, 1239. So, this is the second approach. I hope this explanation was easy to understand. One important point to note here is that all the characters in the string must be digits, only then, this conversion can be possible. If this string consists of any special characters or alphabets, then conversion will not be possible. Also, both the methods produce the same output, but there is a slight difference between these two methods. The parseInt method returns a primitive int value, whereas the value of method returns a new or cached instance of the integer wrapper class. Well, this brings to the end of the video. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and understood the concept well. So, keep learning and I will see you next time. Until then, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more interesting videos. Thank you.